Painting stairs. A child gets an assignment from his school to paint a ladder. The child worked hard to make the painting. He took great care to keep the paper clean and nice. But he accidentally dripped ink right in the middle of the picture. It was late at night, and it was impossible to redraw. He was desperate and crying. The father, who heard her cry, approached and asked softly, "What's wrong, son?" While sobbing, the child told his problem. Hearing this distress, the father said again softly, "Don't worry, the ink drops are like specks on a small dog's body. All you have to do now is draw a little dog around this black dot. So, it looks like the dog is waiting on the steps. Don't give up easily, son," said the father encouragingly. Often, we just need a little tenacity and imagination to turn a bad situation into a good one. Remember, there are very few things that seem hopeless and are actually hopeless. But for the most part, even though it seems hopeless, truly there is still hope and only creativity and a better plan. The child immediately drew a small dog around the black dot. The next day, the child's drawing was chosen as the best picture in class. "See what imagination and creativity create," said the teacher. "This picture of a dog completes the painting, being very good. If you have a problem, don't give up easily. But let's sit back and think about what we can do to improve things. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new." Thank you for watching.